and using bread lame. I really like this one. A friend of mine got or had one, and I used it, and I fell in love with it. So we're just going to do a simple score, just drag along, and that'll allow the bread to open up and to give you that pretty ear. And now it just needs to go into the oven. Once it's in, lid on, put this back down to 450, and then the temperature and time I like is 35 minutes with the cover on, and then 7 minutes with the cover off. So we'll come back in 35 minutes and take it off and show you what it looks like. We're back. It's been 35 minutes, so we're going to go ahead and check it and take the lid off. And I'm going to leave the lid in here to keep from burning anybody. It's looking pretty good. Now it needs to darken up, so put it in for another 7 or so minutes uncovered. We'll be back in about 7 minutes with the cover off, so we're going to take it out. Don't forget to turn off the oven. There we go. You notice the shaping's a little off, but otherwise it looks good. Should be tasty inside. Notice I could have done a deeper cut as well. And if you ever are unsure if it's done in the middle, you can take the thermometer and stick it into the middle, and it should read over 200, and then you know for sure it's done. So this one's definitely done. Okay.